Hello, friends, and welcome to this discussion. I hope that you are all doing well. Today, I'll be answering the question about after winning green card lottery, what happens? If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing for more and also in support of this channel. Actually, this is a very genuine question from a first time DV lottery applicant who wins. This offers a guide as to what they need to do next so that they're able to finally enter US and with their green card. After you check the results and you have been selected, this does not mean that you will be taking the next flight to the United States. It takes some time because there is a process before you, and also winning doesn't mean that you're definitely going to get a green card. And this is because you might have a higher case number which will not be interviewed, or the interviewing period might end before you are interviewed, or you do not do well during the next processes, which requires document proofs of all the things that you have indicated that you have, and also how you perform during the interview. Therefore, the first thing you need to do after you find that you've been selected is to check the first notification letter, which is in PDF attachment, that shows you your case number. And this case number, check for a case number that is lower. Then in case you have a lower case number, then you will be on a safe side. If it's high case number, then fingers crossed, you might succeed. With that in mind, the next thing that you do is to get a host address. This is for a residential address in the United States, and there are many ways you can use to get that address. Even if you do not know anyone, I have done a discussion on the various ways you can do that, and there are sites that I'll be sharing later that can help you also when you're searching for a host in the United States. So you need to get the host address, so that the next thing you do is to fill the visa form, which is a DS-260, not DS-160. DS-260 is for people who will be immigrating into the United States for permanent resident status. For DS-160 is for those that are just visiting or for temporary basis. So you fill the DS-260 form, and one of the things that you need to put there is the host address. That's why it's good to get it before you fill the form, and also have all the information that you need from passports, certificates, and then you need to keep tracking the visa bulletin. This is a publication that is done on monthly basis to show which case numbers will be interviewed in that month, and that's why you needed to note your case number. So you track the visa bulletin, and also keep checking notifications for new messages in your email. And this is because you could be asked to send KCC some document to prove what you put in the visa form, the DS-260 form. Then when your case number will be current, this means that the cutoff number given for that month is your case number is below that cutoff number. That means your case number is current. You will then be required to attend interview, which is for the visa, diversity visa interview. And then when you performed well, your visa will be approved. There will be documents that will be issued with. Once your visa has been approved, you will still have some time to prepare yourself so that you can relocate to the United States. But you have to make sure that you move to the United States. If you applied for the DV 2024, before September 30th, the year 2024. So you still have time for you to plan to take your flights and relocate to the United States. And it is very important to be admitted before the end of that is 30th September 2024. Yeah. So once you have been admitted into the United States as a permanent resident, you will then have to apply for your social security number. That will enable you to seek employment and be able to work in the United States. And then later you will receive your green card, the card itself, through the address that you've given them, so that now you can have the physical card. And basically that's what happens after you win green card. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please subscribe for more information, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.